Hello everyone, I'm Chandraneil Basa from Bennett University pursuing my BTech 4th year in computer science. I'm here to tell you about my 8th semester internship project which I have completed at ESI Software India Private Limited, Bangalore under the guidance of Mr. Murty Arepalli, who is the project manager and also my mentor for this internship. Under the tenure of 5 months, I have completed two projects, one of which is under the domain of web development and the other is under the domain of artificial intelligence and machine learning. The web development project consists of enhancement of web application to compute and display the information on homogenization process. The goal of this application is to produce the results of homogenization, taking the user-defined custom input for processing with the help of job manager and extract the process output, which will be in the form of material properties, which is the desired output for the further processing. As such, the web application employs easy to use, relatively inexpensive cloud-based tools and services such as Oracle and Orient database for storing the data produced within the process, RabbitMQ, which is being served as a communication channel between the different processes, Kronos and Marathon app managers, Mesos cluster manager, and various Google products. In order to use many of these services together, the web application was purpose-built using the well-documented and flexible Java web development framework, along with the standard HTML, CSS, and JavaScript programming languages. After instructional document is written and further development occurs as specified in the application's roadmap, the code, which is currently stored in private repository on ESI Cloud platform, will be open for download and collaboration for by other wanting to use and improve the application model will be available. Now I will be showing you the live demo of the web application I have made. First project is web development for enhancing homogenization process within ESI-VisualDSS environment. This environment is locally hosted within ESI servers with various vertical applications. I am working on material hybrid lab with composite solutions. So let's add a homogenization experiment or iteration or study. Choose the project name as demo project, study name as training. Next. Now we can edit the parameters based on the RVE, which is resolution volumetric elements, or on the material types. UDRV has two cell shapes and we can edit the other parameters. UDRV is basically depends on the cell shape, and fabric RV is on the material type. And we can also edit the material properties such as density, Young's modulus, or Poisson's ratio. Then click enter to compute the coefficients. So fabric RV has 4 types of textiles. So click next. You will get the summary of the parameters and the value assigned to them. If the values are appropriate and the experiment is successful, the compute coefficient becomes green and the result is shown in the form of material properties. In my second project, I have developed a visual assistant in the ESI-VisualDSS, which is short for Visual Decision Support System. It is an end-to-end decision assistance system for computer-aided engineering. Visual DSS is the framework that enables user to make a conclusive and comprehensive decision on the product. It allows you to make a seamless connection with various CAD systems to extract the data required for building various visual tests and simulations. It allows you to build and change several virtual tests upstream and downstream to achieve the integrated process. With all of its integration, it is very hard to perform actions and remember each functionality. So there is a requirement for visual assistance to make the software program be used to its full capacity and the customer so that the customer can use all of its inbuilt functionalities with ease. Now I will be showing you the live demo of the visual assistant I have developed. So before getting started with the online software demo, I will be showing you the coding and training behind the visual assistant before it has been incorporated within the software, which is ESI-VEE Visual Executive Environment. So let's restart the runtime and run all the cells. For the database, I have used the JSON file extracted from the ESI API help desk for the training purposes, and I have used Keras and TensorFlow for training the neural network along with the activation function of softmax, so that on the last neural layer the accuracy is improved. And the learnings from each chat are being saved locally and also on my drive for the time being, so it becomes smarter with every training or conversation with the user. So we can ask Visual Assistant anything about the software, like the commands for every activity. So how to create 1D curve, or how to shell from solid. It also gives the related results also, like how to combine GUI dialog box. So combine child GUI. And if you want to end the chat, quit. Now it's time for software demo after it's being incorporated within Visual SDK environment or executive environment. It has many domains such as additive manufacturing, casting, composites, crash, impact, safety, simulations and measurements. I'm working on visual integration platform. So in this Visual Assistant, I'm starting it. The Visual Assistant gives us the Python script for being executing the activities which the user requires. So this is the online help desk of ESI-VE, which has so many activities and its parameters and scripts, Python scripts. So let's activate the Visual Assistant. Let's say hi, welcome to Visual Assistant. Now let's see the group developers. It is developed by me along with my mentors Sriram, Murty and Sandeep sir, who is one. Sriram sir is the program manager and Sandeep sir is the team member. Let's see how to create 2D mesh. As I have shown you in the online demo, it will be returning the Python script along with its parameters. Now let's see how do I extract 1D from shell. So this is the code for extracting 1D from shell, and how can I create 1D curve. It returns the Python script required for 1D curve along with its parameters. So that's it. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share this video with your friends.